Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Marino channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut Pro without paying for anything. That means you will be able to use CapCut, all the pro features in it without paying for anything or using your credit card. So first you need CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, all you need to do is open your browser. Then write CapCut in the search bar. Go to the first link that will appear on your screen, and then you can download the CapCut from here. Make sure it is capcut.com and not some random phishing website, so your PC stays safe. Now after you have downloaded the setup, you need to install it. I already have the CapCut, so I'm just gonna launch the CapCut. Now here it is the screen in front of me. Now let's use some random pictures. For example, I have this picture right here, or a video. I'm going to add it to my workspace. If you notice the diamond symbol on it, it means that in order to export this video, I will need to have subscribed to the Pro subscription of this CapCut. But I'm going to show you how it will work without paying anything. So let's add some premium effects. Go to transitions. I will add this premium transition. Okay. Looks like I need to make this, 2 videos, so let's split this video in half so that we have 2 clips. Now I'm going to add the transition. Here it is. Okay, add it. It is the premium transition. Now when I click on export, it will say that I have used pro features and that I need to pay for it. So I will go back to edit, select all the things in my workspace like this, or you can click on Ctrl plus A to select everything. Now after it is selected, right click on these videos. When you right click on it, you will need to click on this create compound clip. Now I have clicked on the compound clip. Now it is one clip. So now I will click on this video right here, and I will click on this video. Then I will scroll down till I see motion blur. Now I'm going to click on motion blur, and I will reduce the motion blur to 0. It actually depends on you how much motion blur you want, but in order to make sure this trick works, you will need to enable the motion blur. It doesn't matter if it is 0%, because it will not be visible on your video. You just need to click on it. After I have clicked on the motion blur, let it process it. It is 50%. We will wait for it to get to 100%. Keep watching until the end of the video so you know how to make this trick work. Okay, so now it is 100%. Now I will just minimize my CapCut. Now I will press Windows key plus R. This little box will open. You will need to type app data into the box and press enter. These 3 folders will open. Now you will need to go to local. If you don't see this local, you will click on the view, go to show, and make sure hidden items is checked. So now I will go to local, go to CapCut, then I will go to user data, cache, and then I will search for motion blur. Here it is, motion blur. we'll go into the motion blur and you will see a lot of these files. So what's the date today? It is 14/4 and 9/24. So let's sort it, this one. Now there will be two videos when you click on that motion blur. One will be absolutely white, it is just the processing part. You will skip the alpha one and instead you will open the mp4 file which has the video. You see right here, it is the same video that was in my CapCut. So let's see if it has all the things we have done. You see the transition, it is the premium one. So now we have our pro featured video without paying for anything. You will just copy this file and paste it wherever you want for your easy access. This is all about how to use CapCut without paying for anything with all its pro features. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you, and thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can know about all the upcoming tips and tricks and how-tos.